In this video, I am going to share my journey so far and also announce few upcoming changes on this channel. As many of you know, this channel was started in year 2018 and today we are a family of 228k subscribers. I could like to share few milestones of this channel and it was all because of your support until now. It's been 6 years that this channel is active on YouTube and it has 600 plus of PowerPoint tutorials. Today we are a family of 228k subscribers, and at the individual level, I am now officially part of Microsoft's PowerPoint community program. But as the days passed, I am observing gradual decrease in views and in the rate at which this channel used to get new subscribers. This observation leaves me with two assumptions. Either my tutorials are not up to the mark, or maybe viewers of these channels are now expert in PowerPoint topic. If first is true, I will definitely work to improve my tutorials. Else if second is true, then I will be more than happy to know this fact. So to expand the scope of this channel, I am planning to include new topics from 2025. These new topics will include Microsoft Excel, Power BI and SQL. Today these skills are very important in the world of data analytics, and since I am working on this topic since last 10 plus years, I am planning to create tutorials on my channel in a very systematic way. And of course, PowerPoint tutorials will continue. I need to respect current viewers' interest too. So from 2025, this channel's logo will change as shown. And also, the channel name will change from PowerUP with PowerPoint to Data Analysis and Infographics. With that announcement on upcoming changes, I thank all my viewers, subscribers, and channel members for their great support until now. And I wish everyone a very happy new year. See you all with new series of tutorials. Stay safe, stay tuned, and happy learning.